So guys, in this tutorial we will talk about how to use profile value 3 to create any kind of roads using just a single profile. So guys, first you have to create a profile of roads. So first here I am drawing a rectangle and constructing a single profile of road like side pathways, a mid curve and double lane road. Okay, now guys, you have to here just select the entire profile, then click over here and then click over the plus icon. Okay, and then click OK. If you wanna rename it, you can name it. Okay, I am typing road and then clicking OK button. Now you need to draw a line, any line that you want to follow with this profile. Okay, so here I am drawing a slopy road lines. Okay, now select the line and click the second option of the bottom from left side. Now your road is constructed within a minute. So this is the quick method to draw any kind of profile